walks and playing games when there's sunny weather.
La 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 la.
If there's rain, they're singing songs or reading books together.
La 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 la.
Every day just has a way of feeling extra lucky.
La 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 la.
When you spend it with a friend, just like Bjorn and Bucky. Just like Bjorn and Bucky.
A kite in the tree.
I think it's the highest a kite's ever flown ever.
Gosh, it's pretty. Can I have a turn?
Of course. Just be sure you hold it real tight.
Yeah, sure. Why is it falling?
The wind died down.
Look out for that tree!
Well, that's that.
Not on my watch. I'll get it down.
Oh, Bucky?
You might want to back up. Ha-ha! The bear! Touch the sky! Nope. That was the sky's fault.
Listen, you have to take your time. Climb slow and steady. Plan each step.
This time I'll get it. I got it, I got it, I got it, I don't. This time I'll definitely get it. I'll get it, I'll get it, I'll get it, I'll get it.
Right.
Come on.
Getting there.
Oh, no, you don't.
There.
Hey, guys, why don't we just leave that one there and make a new one?
No way. Our kite doesn't belong to this tree. Look, Bjorn's almost got it already. Hey, Bjorn,
No
looking
kite
good.
ever gets left behind. I didn't get it down.
All right, we need better equipment. Tree, meet ladder. I'm going up to get our kite back. Maybe hold the ladder. Bjorn, I can't quite reach it. I need backup. Get up here.
Uh-huh. I can almost reach it. Franny, come up here. We're so close.
Just a teeny bit more. One strand of tail fur.
Just be sure that you hold the ladder steady. Don't let go.
Hey, Bucky. I was just wondering, if all of us are up here, then who's... I think that I know what our best plan is now.
We just build a new kite?
What? No. Now we make a tornado with our lungs. Blow as hard as you can.
Come on!
Yeah.
Oh, yeah! Oh, you gotta be kidding me!
All right, guys, maybe we should stop.
You're right. Throwing sticks is not smart because we might hurt the kite. But I've got the answer. Friends, I give you the brand newest incredible awesome invention. It's the poultry pult. Hop in, bud. It's super simple to operate. All you do is pull the lever. Good test. This time we just aim a little better and try again. And again. And again. So we might have exceeded operational capacity.
What?
The poultry pult is kaput.
You guys, hey, why don't we make an even better kite instead?
Hey, that sounds like a great idea.
Why didn't I think of that? Franny, you're a genius.
So pretty! Can I have a turn?
Of course, here it is. Just try not to let the wind do that again.
Oh, no.
I don't like that tree.
So we just build a new one, right?
You kidding? I can get it down. Ha ha!
Here we go again.
The weather forecast. Bucky's limber, Bucky's spry. This bear is on fire.
Now let the badminton tournament begin!
I'm ready to win big.
Oh, yeah? Well, I'm ready to win bigger.
Game on, guys!
Blam!
Pow!
Hiya!
Shuttlecock retrieval. Kaplow! Shuttlecock retrieval. What are you, on break?
Stop the game! It's all over. It's a tie!
It's a tie? I want to win! We have to keep going.
Let's do it then.
Bucky's pumped, Bucky's spry. This bear is wet. Run! Save yourselves! Hurry! You ever see a wet bear? We look ridiculous! Aw, my fur is gonna be frizzy for a week.
Dumb old thunderstorm. It spoiled our fun afternoon. If only we'd known in advance that all this rain was coming, then we could have planned the tournament for a different time instead.
Hey, we could do that. There's a way to predict future weather. Let's go outside and I'll show you.
Well, we're outside. Show us how to predict the weather.
We need to observe the birds. If they're flying close to the ground, rain might be coming. And if they're flying way up high, we're in for sunny weather.
But where are the birds? There are none around.
Then we just have to wait.
Idea! No more waiting around. Birds are for the birds. What I'm gonna do is build a mechanical weather predictor. Franny, Chicky, let's get going. Yes! See the saw! See the saw! Ah, that is looking sweet! Presenting my new awesome invention, the truly brilliant Rain-O-Matic Brain-O-Matic! Ta-da! It's all very simple. I put my avian macrochip right in the basket, which the balloon then skyifies. At the first sign of rain, the avian macrochip relays a signal to those on the ground. And that's that. Any questions? Good. Where's my macrochip? Ah! Excellent. If you see any weather, just be sure to let us know down here. Good, macrochip.
Finally, there's a bird! Flying high. All right, that means rain's not coming. I need to go tell the guys. Yay!
Chicky Chip, you're back! And you're all wet, which must mean rain! It'll be here soon! We need to tell Bjorn!
Bucky, sunny weather's coming!
Hey, Bjorn, here comes rain!
We're gonna have sunshine.
No, we're not, Bjorn. Here comes rain.
No, here comes sunshine.
No, rain!
Hey, look, you guys, it's snowing.
Does look like snow, which means that we won't be playing any more games.
Sigh. I guess I should have built a snow-o-matic. Oh, heck, no-o-matic.
So, Bjorn, have you got some skis by any chance?
Of course! Skis, yeah!
We can have a tournament of winter badminton.
Uh-huh. This was a really cool idea.
Game on, guys!
Here comes my super serve. Kablamo!
Boom!
Kerthwack! Ha! Ugh.
Yay! Kapow!
Ugh. Shuttlecock retrieval. Hey, is that a rain cloud?
Honey story. I'll be right there. Bucky, Franny, try a little of my wild berry tea. It's crazy good for you. Made from raspberries and dewberries and farkleberries. I pick them myself.
Thanks a lot, Bjorn. So tasty.
Blech. Ugh, it's sour. You should add some, like, marmalade.
Nah, it doesn't need any marmalade. You just need to get used to it.
Oh, add some chocolate.
It does not need chocolate.
Well, then, honey?
You could add that, sure.
You know what? I've never tried honey before in my life. Not once.
What? No, honey? We have to fix that. You're about to take your first step into a yummier world, Franny, my friend. Well, let's go collect some honey from the bees for you to enjoy.
I'm not getting stung. Forget that. Who needs bees? I'll make my own honey. If the bees can do it, so can I. I can do way better than a bunch of bugs. Honey. Making honey. Now, what am I gonna need? Not that. Not that either. That I will need. Negative, affirmative, negatory, absentively. Nope. Nope-a-rooney. No, thank you. This should come in handy.
All right, then. Dear bees, good day. Could I perhaps have some honey? Hello? Oh, that didn't work. So, plan B.
So, how does the honey natorizer work, you ask? Well, it's simple. Of course, everybody knows honey is made from pollen. So, we begin with a pollen gathering device, or pollen slurp-up-a-natorizer. Once slurp-up-a-natorized, the pollen dissolves in water and mixes with sugar. Why sugar? Because everybody in the world knows that honey's very sweet. That's right, Chickie. Time to make the world's first bear honey. This is very exciting.
Dear bee buddies, please let me take a little bit of your fine honey. And to say thanks, I'll sing you a nice song. Taking walks and playing games when there's sunny weather. La, if there's ouch, ah! Rain, they're singing, wah! Reading books together. La, oh. Every day just has a way. I'm very sorry. I didn't mean to upset you.
Get along, little horsey up a natorizer. Yee-haw! So, here we go. Slurp, yes. Yikes!
Bucky! Oh, save me from this army of bees! Ah, get off that whateverizer and help me, Bucky!
Bjorn, hold on! I'll save you!
Yeah, when? Because now would work great for me! Phew!
So, you like my honey? Ha! I'm sure it's great! Ugh! Gross! That's like evil anti-honey! Oh, my plan like big super failed plus.
My plan hyper crashed and burned as well. All I got was stung all over.
Bjorn, I'm sorry. It's not smart to get so close to bees.
What did you say? And what if you didn't have to get close to the bees? Franny, you're a mega genius. I'll be back. Come on.
Ooh. Okay.
This way, the bees won't bother us at all. You see, Bjorn? Go left, back to the right, up a little, and we're in! Yeah! Now, a little slurp down and natorization, and we are in the honey!
Well, you're right. Honey is very delicious.
Also, it's nutritious.
Turns out bees do pretty fine work. They've got me beat. My bear honey was a whole new kind of awful.